Hi FlossTube, it's Kathleen from Three Sisters, Three Stitchers, and I'm just here to show you my latest finished project. This is it. It's a Mill Hill kit, and I actually got the kit at the freebie table at StitchCon 2019. It was the instructions and beads that were left over, and the purple fabric I also got on the freebie table at StitchCon. And put it together, and let me just show you how I finished it off. So what you will need is you will need sticky boards. You will need two different types of fabric. I have a black fabric. I have a black and white rose fabric. I then used a black wire ribbon. I used some black, purple, green cording. And then this little ribbon, which is actually, it's purple, green, orangey gold. And I got all of that, the fabric and the cording and the ribbon, at Joann Fabrics. And then you'll need a glue gun, and either you make the bow by hand or use a bow dabber like I used. So very quickly, once the project was finished, I then put it onto a board and I laced it on the back. I then took another sticky board, I covered it in the black fabric, and then I glued the purple piece onto the black. I then glued around it the cording. I then took the black piece and I took another sticky board that I covered in the black and white fabric. I then glued the black piece onto the black and white board. And then I took the black ribbon bow and I added to it the colored ribbon. And then I put all of that into what is called a bow dabra, and I made my bow to size. And then the bow I actually glued on, and then I had these little black flowers that I glued onto the bow. And then, since I didn't know what I was going to do with it, I put some magnets on the back. I attached it to a plain frame for the time being. But then this way I can take it off, I can move it, I can put it in some other display, I can use the frame for something else. And for right now, that's all I needed to do with it. And then I just keep it over here on my little bookshelf until Halloween time, which I'll probably move it out somewhere else. So that's it. Very simple to do. Just a glue gun, fabric, sticky boards, and maybe in another video I'll show you how to use the bow dabber, which is great for making bows. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Bye FlossTube.